Hey everyone, it's Daniel here. Today I'm going to show you how to activate LLMS.txt on a WordPress website using Yoast. Alright, uh, a lot of people are still arguing whether LLMS.txt matters or not, but here's the truth. You never want to be the person who ignores, emerging standards. Alright, so even if the adoption is still early, the worst thing you can do is not position your site for future search traffic. Alright, so quickly, what is LLMS.txt? It's basically a new file similar to robot.txt that websites can use to tell AI crawlers and LLMs like ChatGPT what they are allowed to use from your site. Think of it as a guide for AI models like ChatGPT, right? So, will every AI obey this yet? I'm not quite sure. It's still something people are debating on, right? But standard starts from somewhere, and then there's no harm in implementing this. All right. So let's get started. This is our Yoast SEO page, and then where you want to activate the LLMS site, you just need to navigate to the Yoast settings and come to site features. You can see it here. Uh, be sure to update your Yoast SEO plugin. The latest version is the only version that has this LLMS.txt section. So what you need to do is to just enable it. Yeah, you can save your changes. Then customize what you want your file to look like. So the LLMS.txt allows us to either select manual pages or automatic. I choose automatic because I trust use to be able to give ChatGPT whatever information they need to know on my site. So this works best. So if you want to select manual pages, you can do that by selecting your about us page, contact us page, or even your shop page. But let's just leave it at automatic. Is the best approach. Okay, and we can save our changes. We can even view the LLMs.txt file in a new dashboard. All right. So how do I save this? Okay, I think this works already. This works already. So let's take a look at what it looks like on our site. View the file. You have unsafe changes. Please save to view the updated elements. Okay. How do I save this? It's not showing the shape. Okay, let me do a quick refresh. Okay, this works, right? Okay. So this is what our LLMs does TST looks like. And we are done. That's it.